Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making some barbecue chicken, and here are our ingredients that we will be using. Yes, I took the skin off my chicken, right? And my chicken has been washed. So here I'm going in with 3 to 4 tablespoons of blended seasoning or green seasoning, 2 tablespoons chicken seasoning or all-purpose seasoning, right? 1 tablespoon jerk seasoning, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon onion powder, and half teaspoon salt, or just add salt to taste, right? And then you want to go ahead and just rub all that niceness, get it all over that chicken, and then we're gonna set it aside to marinate. Give it some hours or at least 1 hour. I mean, if you got 30 minutes, then I get it. 30 minutes, okay? Alrighty. Okay, so here I'm going to be adding just a little bit of oil to my baking tray, and you want to shriddle it around. Shriddle. Yes, shake it to the left, shake it to the right. And then I'm placing my chicken on there. I decided I wanted them to the back of the tray, right? So thighs, step to the back, step to the back. And I did that because that part of the tray was going to be to the back of the oven. And then I put the legs to the front. And there they are. By the way, your oven should be preheated at 180 degrees Celsius, 356 degrees Fahrenheit, and put them in for 30 minutes. And here they are after 30 minutes. Look at smoke. Well, look at steam. Not smoke. But yeah, Vibes Sam, I took them out after 30 minutes so that I can baste the chicken. You always should take your chicken out and baste them just to keep that moisture in, to keep the chicken nice and moist, right? So after you baste all the chicken, then we're going to go ahead and put them back in for 10 minutes. Do not move the oven, right? 180 still, 356 degrees Fahrenheit still, okay? And put them back in for 10 minutes. Look at them niceness, steamy, not smoke. Okay, so put them back in for 10 minutes. And while they are doing their bakerade, we are gonna work on our sauce. So here we have 1.5 cups of barbecue sauce and 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Now, Vibes fam, guess what? I do not. You guys know this already. I do not like barbecue sauce just by itself like that. It is too harsh for me. Just a bit too tangy. So that is why I always add some sugar. But if you don't mind, then just use the barbecue sauce by itself. As I said, this is as simple as barbecue recipe gets, right? So yeah, take the chicken out, and now we're gonna sauce them up. A sauce and a sauce and a put a sauce and a yeah. So you wanna go ahead and spread the sauce all over the chicken. Vibes Sam, we are not moving sparingly at all. We are just gonna dash out. Dash sauce here, dash it there. Just dash it everywhere. Dash it and a dash, right? And when you finish saucing this side, we are gonna flip them over. Flip them right over. Look at beautiful. Okay? So I flip and I flip and I flip and I flip and so flip the chicken over and then just the same. We're gonna sauce them, right? And as I said, don't move sparingly with the sauce. I mean, go in. Because when you take up one piece of that chicken to bite, listen to me, if some barbecue sauce not on your top lip, you never sauce it, right? Your teeth should be full with sauce. I mean, sauce just should be everywhere, right? So yeah, sauce it up. And then when you're done, we're going to flip them back over on the right side. Right? So this side was up at first. So we're putting it right back there. And then what I'm going to do now, I'm looking at the chicken like, oh, let's see if there's any area that needs some more sauce. Oh, even if it doesn't, let's sauce it up. Put the sauce there anyway, right? So put some sauce on it. Get it everywhere, Vibes Fam, right? And then the sauce that is going to be left over, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of hot water to the leftover barbecue sauce. Now, why I'm doing that is just to get me some gravy. So, if you're eating it with rice, you have some gravy. Yeah, you don't need to make nothing on the side. And look at that, Vibes Fam. It's good barbecue sauce. Even though I added the 1 tablespoon of hot water, look there, still have a nice consistency, still thick, not too runny. But if your barbecue sauce is runny from the get-go, then don't add the 1 tablespoon of water, right? And make sure it's hot water if you're adding water, by the way. So yeah, go ahead and pour that in, right? So when you're done, Vibes Fam, you don't need to go make no gravy on the side. Yes, this is you. So we're gonna put it back in the oven for 10 minutes. Look at nice. So 10 minutes again, the same 180, same 356. And this is it, Vibes Fam. Look at it. Look at night. Bubble. Oh, bubble, bubble, bubble. I see you, bubbles. Ooh, 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 ooh. Eh, eh. Shine, shine. Nice, nice. Glistening, glistening. And Vibes Fam, here we have it. Here we have this delicious, nice, smoky barbecue chicken. Did I say it was smoky barbecue sauce? I'm not sure if I did, but it doesn't matter. The nice barbecue chicken, nice and a nice. And look at sauce. Look at sauce. Look at glistening. Look at that nice body. You chicken, you step right out and say, yeah, you ready for the front of the video light. You ready. And Vibes Fam is not just about the look, When I tell you that this tastes good, like, of course, duh, I was dancing, of course. From the first bite, I was like, yeah, doing all the dance because it is that good. So good, right? It tastes amazing. Look at it. Tell me you guys don't know that this tastes good. Tell me you don't know. It tastes amazing, just so amazing. So yeah, Vibes Fam, let me know if you try this recipe. Let me know. And if you want to leave the skin on your chicken, leave the skin on your chicken. I prefer my chicken without skin, so yeah, that is why I do it that way. But thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And please go follow me on Instagram. God bless you. Thank you.